Patty. So I am currently sitting in front of the cabinet under our kitchen sink. We have been living in this house just over a month. It was 1 month, 2 days ago that we moved into this house. Not bought the house, but it took us a while to move in. So we've been living here for just over a month. And when we moved in, before we moved in, my mother-in-law purchased a bunch of cleaning supplies for us, which was such a big blessing. And then I went and bought some cleaning supplies too. And I kind of had just shoved everything under the kitchen sink. So it is a big mess down there. So I've been waiting to be able to sit down and just organize it and make it beautiful or not beautiful, but just make it like nice to open it and not so like overwhelming where everything just like spills out. It's like a hot mess. It's never been so bad anywhere we've lived. So I'm going to organize that, and I thought it would be fun to bring you guys along with me. I also purchased this drawer organizer. These are normally really expensive, and I was so excited because I saw it at Aldi for $10. So I thought that was a great deal, and I thought it would be fun to incorporate this in organizing under my kitchen sink. So let me go ahead and show you the before of my kitchen sink. Okay, so here is a look inside. Like I said, it is pretty bad. So like I said, I was just given a bunch of cleaning supplies, and then I bought cleaning supplies, and I just shoved everything down here, and it is chaos. Anytime I try to grab something, everything just comes spilling out of it. So that is not going to stay that way. So I don't really have like too much of a game plan, except I have this organizer here, and then I have this caddy that I want to kind of stick cleaners where if I need to go somewhere else around the house, the caddy is set up for me with cleaners and things like that. So those are the two main organizers. I also always keep like Dollar Tree or bins on hand and things like that. So I'm going to take a look and see what I'm working with and see what I'm going to do. I also have some cleaning supplies that I know I won't use regularly, so I'm going to take them out from under the sink and give them another home, just because I only want the cleaning supplies I'm going to use on a regular basis under the kitchen sink, and then all the other stuff somewhere else so that it's out of my way. finished product of the space. I actually ended up having a much harder time than what I thought, just because of the fire extinguisher that was here. This was here when we bought the house, and I think it's a really good thing to have. We have a much bigger fire extinguisher also, but I think it's good to have it there, so it's not something I wanted to take off. But I was expecting to be able to slide bins there, and I wasn't able to, so I had to kind of change my plans of what I was originally going to do. But I'm really happy with how it turned out. So let me go ahead and go through everything with you. So first, here on the door, I just have this, it's one of those Ziploc bag organizer things. And I used to have it in our old apartment. But the cabinets here come much lower, so they don't, most of them didn't fit. This is the only cabinet it fit in. So I decided to put a pair of gloves there. Then the magic erasers we are currently using, and then I use this scrubbing brush to clean the sink. And then I also have like the garbage, like the sink cover if we don't want it to go down the garbage disposal. And then I was super happy with my purchase from IKEA. It was really helpful in making the most of the space. And I've always seen these things for really expensive. So, I'm sorry, not IKEA, Aldi. So if you have an Aldi by you, definitely go check out. They have tons of organizing stuff. But let me go ahead and show you. Here, I pull for these disinfecting wipes all the time, so I wanted to have them like in a spot that's really easy for me to get to. And then the dish tablets I just put in this container that I already had on hand, and it's just perfect for the dishwasher tablets. Then in the back, I used a Dollar Tree bin, and I just put extra hand soap back there. We have like a bottle that we fill up, and then I have the distilled vinegar that I use for cleaning different things all the time. Then I have a bottle of this squirt and mop in the, what scent is this? I think it's like fresh, spearmint and sage. So I use this on all our tile. And then we also have laminate flooring. Is it laminate? Yeah, laminate flooring. And I use this one on the laminate. So I have both of those, really easy to get to. Then I have our stainless steel cleaner. I actually prefer the stainless steel wipes, but I had this on hand, so I want to use it up. But once I use this up, I'll switch to the wipes, and that'll slide in here great too. And then I use this on our countertops about once a week, because we have laminate countertops in like a cream color, so it shows any type of little stain, and this takes it right off. So I just have this there. So I purchased this caddy back when Target Dollar Spot had their spring cleaning line. I thought it was really nice, and I thought it would be perfect to have for like carrying around the house, to have like a little cleaning station. So I just put a bunch of microfiber cloths in there, then a Swiffer duster, then a set of gloves. Then I have this is the Method wood cleaner. This is my favorite wood cleaner by far. I love it. Then I just have Windex with vinegar, and then I have some Method all-purpose cleaner here. So then I have the caddy here, and then I just have an extra drying rack here. So let me go ahead and show you what's in the sliding drawers. In the bottom drawer, I just have our dish towels, like the drying towels, and then I have like some nicer ones on the bottom. I have a lot more than this, so what I'm just going to do is store the extras somewhere else, and then this will be like our week's supply. So I have about a week's supply of washcloths and a week's supply of the dish towels, and then I'll just refill it each weekend. I'll refill it when I put the others to wash. And then here I'm going to be I have a spot where I'm going to be putting another all-purpose cleaner, because since I moved this one to the caddy, I want to have one in the caddy and then one in here, so that it's easy for me to get to. Then I have the antibacterial Method cleaner, and then the Method cleaner degreaser. That's my favorite degreaser. And then I have these 7th generation disinfecting wipes to clean Ella's high chair. I rather use these than any of the like Clorox ones, so I use these on her high chair. Then in the back, I just keep extra sponges here, and then all of our extra magic erasers are in the back. So that is how the under the kitchen sink turned out. I'm super happy with it. I think it's functional, but it doesn't look like Hot Mess Express when I open the cabinet. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. What are the types of things you guys keep under your kitchen sink? How do you organize it? Let me know. And please give this video a thumbs up if you like cleaning and organizing videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on another video tomorrow.